So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have seen all the important supports and resistances. So we have seen a back-to-back upper circuits in the stock after obeying the 146 rupees level as a very good support zone. So many people are asking, can we buy at the current levels or should we wait further? So I can clearly tell that the stock has already started a very good reversal. So still the stock is looking very bullish. So we'll try to find out what can be the next possible targets in the coming sessions. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so if you observe the daily chart of BCG, so clearly I've mentioned all the levels, so it is clearly visible. So as I told, the coming days movement is going to be very, very important as it is approaching its all-time high. So what is the all-time high? So all-time high is somewhere around 205 rupees level. So if it breaks that particular level, then we can see a very good move in the stock, and even it may approach towards the 300 rupees level. So the coming sessions movement is going to be very, very important. So keep the stock in radar. So already the stock is having back-to-back upper circuits, so nothing to worry about it. So people who are already holding the stock, so keep holding it. And as I told, so tomorrow it will close above the next resistive zone, and immediately the next important level would be the 205 rupees level, which is the all-time high. So keep all these things in radar. So before you are planning to invest, and if you're a safe investor, so if it crosses that 200 rupees level, you can invest. So if not, even you can try investing at the current levels. So I was telling from many days to buy in small portions, because now the circuit is also not open. So people have taken earlier, so they are only getting that benefit. So averaging at each and every dip is always a very good thing, especially in these type of stocks where the fundamentals are very good and some positive updates are also received related to Brightcom Group. So if we try to compare the weekly chart, so weekly chart also we have seen a very good wick. So from the bottom we have seen the buyers pushing the candle from the downside. So still the stock is bullish and it will continue that uptrend, so no doubt about it. So if you want to try your luck, you can try placing the order in the morning session itself. So if it gets executed, well and good. All right, so keep the 200 rupees level as important resistance. So once it crosses that all-time high, we can expect the stock will start its journey towards the 300 rupees level. Okay, so any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe it. And Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.